Open.
What was that? What was that?
Candy.
Yummy.
Ew, I don't like this candy.
Yeah, you do. Have you tried it before?
What does it taste like?
Nana bread.
Banana bread?
We'll try it later.
It's sour.
Sour. I think that sounds like more.
Mmm.
You wanna try one? Go ahead.
My favorite.
What are their favorite? Look at me. Hey.
They're jelly beans.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, he's cute. Let me open them? Here, let Daddy open 'em. You can open another one while we look. While we open it, I mean. Whoa!
My favorite.
Oh, yes!
Nerds.
Oh, super hamster!
He's got a belly button.
He flies!
That
He's
one
got a
is-
cape on like Snow White. Oh.
Whoa.
Oh,
That's cool.
oh, hello. I'm going to get my friend this cup. You got cup. You got cup.
We got a lot of eggs to go, so keep going.
I'd rather eat the pig over the piggy. I like the piggy better.
Need any help opening them? Let me know.
I got to snap it and open it with beer hard. So, pop out!
It's okay, we'll get him.
I got him.
There's a green one behind you.
I only got those. I popped out. Why is Jill being so happy?
Because it's Easter.
They're happy because they're from the bunny. Do you want Daddy to help you open them?
I got him.
Okay.
Picky, 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 picky. Yeah, la, 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 la. Cow.
Meow.
Cow. Ow. Blah. Here's your favorite thing, Dad.
Stretchy bunny.
Stop. You're gonna break him.
I'm not going to break him.
Watch this. That's funny.
Can I help you with that one?
Nope.
What's that?
Ooh.
That was my prize.
A bracelet.
That was the Easter Bunny sword.
Oh, yeah? Oh, that's beautiful. It's got little gibbets on it.
Yeah, gibbets. Gibbets.
That's pretty. Can I see? Can you show me your wrist? Oh.
Is that
Butterflies and a flower?
and a ladybug?
That's pretty.
She turned just at the wrong moment. What's in there? I'll help you.
Get it. Open. So close.
What you do is you do this. Then it'll open.
Whoa.
What is this?
What is it?
A unicorn.
Her name is Mist.
Mist.
Let me see.
These are so cute.
What's that? Oh, is that a wall walker?
You put him on the window and he crawls down the window.
Ooh. Sounds kind of creepy.
You open it and I can.
We will.
Yeah. You want to put him on the window?
Yeah.
See if he- See if he crawls down. Here, we'll let Daddy do it since I'm holding the camera.
Hold up. 1 second. Okay. I gotta probably stick him on the window, don't I?
You do it like this.
Put him up higher.
This.
Mm-hmm.
Oops.
Whoa. Maybe we'll try it on
Yeah.
the porch window. The big window.
We'll do that. Let's finish opening what you got, though.
We'll go put him on the porch window and see if he works.
What's that?
An orange one. Now you can juggle.
Juggle.
Ooh, that was close.
Aw, that's cute.
That's funny.
He's squishy. I guess you got a bunny. Let me see him. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. Mwah.
No, smell him.
Does he stink?
Yeah.
Gonna have to give him a bath.
No, not a fake bath.
Oh yes, of course.
Wait. I gotta open this one.
Okay. Need some help? All right.
A dolly.
All right. Moolah.
Lots of dolly.
Those are for your register.
Pretend bunny.
So you can play grocery store or something.
Grocery store. No. Oh.
That one's tricky, huh?
You may I help you?
Yeah. Maybe this is a.
A pink one.
Hello, there was a bubble water.
No, you have a friend.
What?
The yellow one has a friend.
Where? Walking in the street and I think.
You want to go get more?
Yeah, I'm going to get a lot of open. I like the lights.
That sounds like more jelly beans.
A hot jelly bean.
Oh no, they're little candies.
What kind of candy?
I don't know. I wasn't the one that packed them. I can help you if you want.
Okay. Bakers always do stuff.
Aww. A little chickie. In the chicky room. Tweet, 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 tweet.
And the chicken. Turkey bun. Turkey bun. Maybe there's a ticket or a tick.
A chick? You're right, it's a chick.
Wow, what jellies?
I know what you're going to be eating today.
All night long.
Ooh,
Put the stickers.
pretty.
Put the stickers.
Wow.
I like princess stickers.
Let's see. Oh, they're beautiful.
This guy is squishy.
You want to put them on the TV?
No, baby. You might leave a residue.
Oh, Daddy's sensitive about his TV. We'll go put them on the big window in just a minute when
Go
you're
off
done
all
with
the
your
way
eggs.
down. I'll put them up high.
Hi. And I can watch them across the window and go, ah!
Hopefully it works.
You put them in the air conditioner. Snap it. And got it. Take it out.
And then everything will open up.
I can do it.
Like this?
There's the other baby chick.
Aww.
Ooh. He's so cute.
He is cute. Here, you put your basket over here and Daddy can help you open the eggs.
I open them up.
If you need help, he's right behind you.
What's that? Does that sound like in there?
I know.
What do you think it is?
I know. My jelly beans.
Mmm. Yummy.
You like jelly beans, Mom?
Yeah, they're okay. Do you like jelly beans?
Yeah.
Ooh.
What's this sound like?
What do you think it sounds like?
Sounds.
What is it?
A cross. The Easter Bunny gave me a cross.
Let's see.
Wow.
Oh, it's a necklace.
It's a necklace cross.
That's so cute. You want to
That's
put it
for
on?
me.
You want me to put it on for you?
Mhm.
All right.